How you doing, folks? It's Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 68 Camaro RS 350. It's done in Victory Red with the black stripe on the nose and down the side. Stripes all painted on, buried in the clear. Super nice car, guys. It's had a complete frame off restoration. See all the grill, very nice. Bumpers have all been replaced. Nice chin spoiler on it. See how slick it is down the sides. All the stainless trim been repolished or replaced. Got a set of 15-inch American Racing Torques on it. Nice tough looking tire on it, BFG Goodrich's. Taillight bezels, all housing's all been replaced, rear bumper, all your backup lights, and the valance down there on the bottom. Added the rear spoiler, which the RS's didn't come with. That's all been added. Just makes the car tough looking. Super nice paintwork. Very nicely detailed underneath. All new lines, everything. All the suspension's been gone through. It's got power front disc brakes. It's got a 355 aluminum heads, roller rockers, Edelbrock aluminum intake, Holly carb, aluminum radiator with electric fan setup, all thermostatically controlled. Got 350 turbo trans with the 10-bolt rear with the 373 posi. See, all the jams are really nice. It's got all new interior in it. Dash, beautiful. Headliner's nice and tight. They did the TMI seat covers with the added bolsters. Very comfortable. Looks good. It's a factory seat frames, just added bolster foam and covers. Got the correct center console with your staple shifter. Tell you, all the paintwork on this car is very nice. All show quality, the jams, everything. Got your factory spare in there. Got all your front and rear seat belts. Got an AM/FM cassette stereo in it. It's got your odometer gauges. Super nice car, guys. It's got all the vacuum actuated headlights. They all work like they should. Got a set of hooker headers into some duals, flow masters out the back, Sounds really good. Got a nice cam in it. Backup lights, everything worked like it should. Super, super nice car. Get in this car, cruise it, go to your shows and enjoy it. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.